Hey guys, so this is a hair video. Excuse me while I get my makeup off my face. I have been up really early this morning and I feel like my makeup is melting. MONAT. If you're researching MONAT and you already stumbled on this video, so you've watched a ton of other videos. I haven't watched any of the other videos, but I do know that it is a big deal right now because people are realizing that their hair is falling out. I knew that MONAT was too good to be true. Everybody swore by it. Well, not everybody. Some people are like skeptical. A lot of hairdressers switched their entire salons, but MONAT was not a professional product by any means. Basically, I wrote an article on medium.com. It's called MONAT Too Good to Be True ? And it continues to get claps. So basically it's like a like on Medium, and it continues to get hits. So it is I think it is at 4,000 reads so far, which is not bad because it was my first article on medium.com. I wasn't even known. I think it just keeps coming up in the Google search. And basically I had tried MONAT because a friend of mine gave it to me, and she had given me like the whole set, and you know, I was like, I was totally skeptical. I could smell a scam a mile away. She swore by it though. So she had thyroid and she used it and it regrew her hair. The only thing is, there were no studies done to see how this product was going to perform after, say, 5-10 years. Like, nobody really knew. This company was claiming that it was a miracle, that it was all natural. I went on the website and it basically is just all fluff. It's basically like really, really, really great marketing. So I tried it. I was like, okay, listen, today I'm gonna wash my hair. This was a while back. So ever since then, now I think there's a lawsuit or something, and a lot of people are saying, oh my god, this is like when W-E-N, people are starting to lose their hair, and they were starting to freak out about it. And I was like, well, yeah, duh. Like, anything that's going to be that good and not backed up by scientific evidence, and if doctors are not prescribing it, the only thing that really regrows your hair is Rogaine. That's scientifically proven. And if you're having hair loss, it could be a vitamin deficiency as small as like a vitamin D. And I think people rush way too fast to the cosmetics counter rather than looking at internally and seeing what they can fix on the inside. I tried it. The shampoo was the Intense Repair Treatment Shampoo, and conditioner was Revitalized Conditioner, basically for volume. So I washed it and I rinsed it, and I noticed this disgusting chemical smell when I washed it, and I was like, this is gross. This is not natural. No way in hell is this stuff natural. And then I tried the conditioner. I was like, okay, I have to try this because I already started. And I tried the conditioner, and the conditioner, it claimed volume, and it claimed that it was going to strengthen the hair. So as a hairstylist, I know for sure, because I went to school and I studied hair, that the only thing that's really going to strengthen your hair is protein. And a protein treatment, or Olaplex, but Olaplex is something else. Let's just stick to protein for now. So any treatment really needs about 5 to 10, sometimes 15 minutes to really work, to penetrate the hair and actually work. So when this conditioner says, you know, put it on and then rinse it right off, I'm like, really? Like, I'm reading, and it doesn't say anything about having to leave it in. So there's nothing in there that says that you're supposed to leave this treatment in. It's not a mask, it's a conditioner. So how is it going to strengthen my hair if I'm not going to leave it in? That doesn't make any sense. I was like, all right, so I put it in, and as I washed my hair, I could feel a film on my hair. My hair felt stronger, but artificially stronger, if that makes any sense. I don't know how to describe it. It just felt like there was something coating my hair. It was coated, and it felt not a good strength, because I know when my hair is strong. I've felt it before. I've done protein treatments. I know when my hair feels strong. This didn't really feel like strength. It just felt like it was coated with artificial something. I don't know what it was. And so I let it air dry, and I could feel, I would just run my fingers through it, and I felt my hair was so silky smooth, but not in a good way. It felt like there was a waxy coating on top of my hair, and I just did not feel good about it. I knew there was something really, really off about this. There's always gonna be something like a fad that is gonna take over the world, and that people rush to out of insecurity. And that's where the big companies, or this company, knows that this is how we can make money off of people. It's easy to make money off of people who are insecure and vulnerable and fragile, broken. You know, if you're broken and your spirit is broken because you're losing your hair, you will try anything. And maybe it did regrow the hair, maybe the treatments did work, but it's not all natural. And what happens if it stops working? Where do you go for a guarantee? It's already like, I've already gotten tons of responses from people who've told me that the company's a scam. They're not giving them their refunds. They're not stopping their subscription. So if you have already become, you know, a distributor, they'll keep taking money out of your account. And if you call the customer service, they'll say like they don't know what you're talking about, or you just never get to somebody, so they'll keep you on hold, and basically stealing money from thousands, millions of people. Like, it was so obvious to me, just the sheer magnitude of this like miracle product that was supposed to like make everybody look amazing so fast, so quick, overnight, is just so unrealistic. I think now it's like really taking a toll, because now people have realized that their hair is falling out. I had a girl send me a text on Facebook. She found me after Googling Monet, and she said, thank you so much for writing this, because she showed me pictures of her before and after hair, and her hair, she'd been going to a hairdresser, and she told her, whatever you're using, you need to stop. Literally, she sent me pictures, and I will try to add them to the video. Her hair from here on was just damaged so bad. I felt so bad for her. It was completely fried. Her hair was starting to break, like it was long and gorgeous and beautiful. She started thinning a little bit, so she tries this shampoo and conditioner, and then her hair starts to break off and it goes short, and she sent me a before and after, and I just could not believe it. But if you are working on your hair loss issues, take vitamin D, take B50 complex, take your iron supplements, take biotin, take the hair, skin, and nails, vitamins. It's always, always, always internal. Make sure that you're not under any stress. Make sure you're sleeping well. I really believe that everything is internal, and if you eat well and you take care of yourself, your mental well-being and your emotions, you will see a difference. And if your hair is thinning, go short. Going short is a great option, and short is super, super in. Like, short haircuts are super in. Okay, so one more thing I wanted to talk about Monet. There was this one girl who wrote back to me and said, oh, you don't know what you're talking about. So they use this, like, these distributors, these Monet distributors, use this like bullying language that, oh, you suck, you don't know what you're talking about, we are Monet, you don't know anything about hair. Yeah, I spent over $12,000 on my hair schooling, but you know hair better than me. Okay. So she writes to me that studies were done by Princeton University to prove this product works. It's not Princeton University, it's Princeton Marketing, I think it's called. Just a side note, like, try to support local companies as much as you can. Try to buy from companies that are small and where you can directly speak to the owner. Big companies they really don't care about us. They just look at people and say, okay, well, we're just gonna start a trend and we're going to create a bunch of products that sell to these silly people who will give us all their money that they don't have, and then we can laugh all the way to the bank. So it just makes me really sad and angry when I see people believe in big companies like that and buy into the hype. Always, always be skeptical, always smart, shop smart, and always ask questions, and always look for proof. I think that is all I wanted to talk about. Please let me know your experiences with Monet down below. I have a feeling this is going to be quite the discussion. So whatever input you guys have, leave it in the comments below. Mwah. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.